The real danger is not the threat to one's economy that comes from acting. It is instead the risk to one's economy by failing to act. The General Assembly's Second Committee represents economic and financial aspects of this body. It plays a crucial role in frames of the United Nations system, addressing the variety of the world's greatest issues related to financing for development, globalization, macroeconomic policy, as well as the eradication of poverty. In frames of the Far Eastern Model United Nations 2021, the Second Committee is going to look for solutions related to the international migration and development. Currently, international migrants represent about 3.6% of the world's population. They sustain development and partnership through the monetary, human, and social capital they supply. The international flows of finance and trade they bring about, their participation in the social networks, and their contribution to the exchange between cultures. In 2020, the COVID-19 pandemic affected drastically all forms of human mobility, including international migration. Hundreds of thousands of migrants were stranded, unable to return to their countries. This and many other challenges are to be elaborated on by delegates to the General Assembly's Second Committee at the upcoming conference.